I'm Nakul, and we have a family-based stock brokerage house, and I generally advise on personal financial matters pertaining specifically to finance. And in finance, finance is a very broad and abstract word. So just to give a brief about it, so we deal in matters of handling your cash finances, handling your banking, handling your insurance, handling your other aspects of your personal finance. We have a family business. It was started by my father, and I joined him about 10 years back. I did my schooling from Delhi, and throughout my schooling I have been in Delhi, and I had a commerce stream and did my law graduation, and after a 5 years complete law course, I had a passion for stock markets. It fascinated me because of the red and green signals which goes up and down, and my father had always been in this service, in this profession, so that really fascinated me. So I joined him, not because I didn't have any option of practicing law. I worked for 6 months, then I joined his firm. For me, it was a new thing. Finance is new. Being educated in law, so for me it was a very humble beginning. I trained under him, so it was not something I was made a director of the company. So I trained under him. I learned what was the basic aspects we do as a stockbroker. So he made me learn the front office operations, how to handle clients. Then he made me listen to him, how to speak to client, listen very carefully, intricately about their personal financial matters, and confidentiality is a very important aspect of personal finance, which a client always expects to not to be shared. So that was a very important part for me. And then he made me learn communication skills with a client. Then obviously back office operations. That was a major, it's a backbone of any enterprise. So we learned that. We had a traditional kind of setup. Still now we are operating as a traditional stockbroker. Been 10 years in this job, and I feel going ahead, traditional broking house needs to take a different step with respect to business matters, and so we are still doing an offline model business. It has to go to a tech-based platform. I learned the back office operation just to know more about the front office things. As in, if I need to ask something, or need to look at some softwares to check my client's profile, what was his historical background, his financial holdings and all those. So I should be able to know where to look, and rather ask my team, tell me this and tell me that. So I need to know about everything just to keep me updated. So that was my logic, to know about the back office things.